What's up, guys? We're in the garage, so you already know what time it is. We're about to get our install on. What's up, guys? You know what it is, man. We back in the garage, so we about to get our install on. We got a part in for the Z. I don't know if you can see it. You can't see it. But we got a part for the Z. This episode is actually sponsored by oEdRo Motor. oEdRo Motor. I think I'm pronouncing it right, but if you guys go way back when, a lot of guys don't watch the video, but I got spacers for the 300ZX. They sent those out. Good quality spacers, man. So today, what they sent out was these oEdRo. I don't want to butcher that name, so I'm not even gonna try it, but oEdRo. Yeah, I see that. I hope you can see that. Some LED headlights for the 300ZX. And I gotta say, it's perfect timing, man, because I got HIDs in there. I've had HIDs in there for a while, but they do tend to flicker out, depending on the brand you get. You know what I'm saying? If you don't spend a lot of money on HIDs, they will go out, but these LEDs, I got an LED headlight in my motorcycle, and it's incredible. It's very bright. It doesn't flicker, no problems. So what they sent out are these headlight by oEdRo, and we're gonna put them in the 300ZX, and I'm gonna show you guys how to do that. It's not too hard. It's a 9006 bulb, so these are 9006. They got all the sizes you need. You guys can go check out the website. I'm gonna leave the Amazon link in the description, so if you guys are interested in these, you definitely go check them out. They got all different kind of brands, and they got light bars, just all kinds of different parts, man. But right now, we're gonna get into this. So huge shout out to oEdRo Motor for sending these out, man. Sponsoring the video, and yo, let's get into it. First, we'll start off, man, with the box. As you can see, man, on the dirty 300, you can see the box is actually really nice. You flip it over. Let's get a bit of angle. So here we go. So there you go, man. There's the specs on the lights, man. Let's get the box open. So once you get the box open, you got your LED headlight manual here, plastic bag, some zip ties here. I guess to keep the cords away, keep it tighty. We'll see if we need those or not. Let's take a look at what's in the bag. So like I said, you got your zip ties, then you got the installation guide, how to install them. Man, I mean, this camera does not want to focus today. And you can join their fan club right there, like them on Facebook, whatnot. So let's get to the important stuff here. It's a very nice box, like I said. Just look at the paper, and let's get to the nitty gritty, which are these here. First impressions, quality seems good. Seems like a metal, maybe aluminum. I don't think they call these ballasts. I'm not sure what they call these things, but it's a pretty nice sized base with a fan in it as well. Then the bulb itself is actually pretty small, so it's gonna be interesting to see if this thing produces a lot of light. So we're gonna grab a quick little before with the HIDs. I'm not gonna go into what brand these are or anything like that, but they're older. As you can see, one's like really purple, and one's like a 8000K, I want to say. But they're supposed to be saying this one's just going bad. But they're not very bright anymore. As you can see, they're just kind of, you know, whack. But anyway, we're gonna get rid of those. Okay, so first thing you want to do is remove the first bulb, so the original bulb. So on the 300ZX, it's in there, it's in here, so I'm just gonna recant, and you're gonna give it a left turn, and the bulb comes right out. You can see here's the ballast for the HID, and that's that. Shout out, you know, and that's that. Your own assembly out. HID and ballast for the HID. Gonna get that out of here. We're gonna do the reverse. So we're gonna take it. So down in there. Go down in there, then you twist it to the right. Okay. Once you get that securely locked in there, you're gonna take your stock harness plug here, your new plug from your HID headlight, or I mean, excuse me, from your LED. You're just gonna snap right into place. And guys, this is the easiest thing that you can do. I mean, clean install. Now we're gonna check out, see what the bulb looks like. Oh my goodness. Right off the bat, you can see that that is a huge difference. It's a clean white light as compared to this darker hue blue. Now keep in mind, this might be like an 8000K headlight, but look at the brightness here. Look at the brightness difference. I mean, it's a lot more visibility. The beam is a lot wider. Look at that, and then look at this one. Look how small that one is. All right, guys, so as you can see, these things are bright. The camera's not really conveying how bright they are, but they're very bright, man. I'm extremely happy with it. I thought I wouldn't want bright white, but this actually looks really clean on this car. Really, really clean. So just purely outside, you guys can see how bright these things are, man. They're really, really bright. As you can see. Really, really, really bright. So there you guys got it, man. There's the LED headlights. Thanks to oEdRo once again, man, for supplying those. I sincerely appreciate it. More stuff is to come, so guys, definitely stay looking out. We got some different mods coming for, I know I've been saying stuff for the longest time, but it's gonna happen. I guarantee you, we got motor work coming. You know, just gotta put the money together, gotta get the money together, you know what I'm saying? But we got it coming, we got some big things we're getting ready to pop on the channel, guys. But yeah, like I said, if you guys want some lights, some LED headlights, I mean, they sell more than just that. They got light bars, key fobs, tow mirrors, they got everything, man. Go check out oEdRo. I'm gonna put the link in the description. You guys can go look at the exact listing I bought my stuff from and then use that to access the rest of the shop that they got on Amazon.com. So make sure you guys definitely go support them. You got a couple things happening. Got a couple things going on, man. So you guys stay on the lookout. Like I said, we got some big things getting ready to go down. Really looking. You guys know I'm back on my stocks. The 18s are over there in the corner. I had a blowout a couple weeks, well, probably about a week or two ago. Debating on whether I'm going to put new, because my back tires are new. The front tires were shot. They had camera wear and stuff from the previous owner, and I hadn't gotten around to replacing those. So one of them finally went out on me, and I decided to just take them off instead of buying some. I'm still debating if I'm going to buy 2 brand new front tires and go back with those rims, or if I'm going to sell and move on to something else. I know I got a subscriber or 2 that are interested in those rims, so I don't know, man. Y'all holler at me with the right price. I'll let them go. I ain't looking for no fortune for them. I'm thinking about swapping it up because I'm getting ready to do a couple things to this car eventually. Most definitely the 5-speed is going down this year. Don't get it twisted, it's going to happen. The 5-speed swap and heavily looking at 5.3. So looking to make the LS swap happen is just, you know, it's gonna require some money and some time. So I gotta be ready for this to go down completely and not use it at all as a daily before I go into 300ZX LS swap. But this right here is gonna go down under the knife first, and we're looking to do some things. So I'm not gonna get into it just yet, because you say it may not happen. So I'm gonna wait until everything is said and done, it's in the clear, and then when that happens, you'll see what happens. You'll have more content, but we're gonna have more content before then. Guys, just gonna get into just doing pretty much any and everything, guys. I want this channel to be more than just installs and stuff like that, because I got other things going on, other, I think, entertaining things that happen. So, you know, I'm just gonna start carrying the camera. Like I said, I discussed the last video I did was about the whole YouTube thing and everything like that. And shout out to you guys, man, because I think at the time when I dropped that video, I was like at 850 something, you know, or 840, 850 something. You know, I know I needed like 150 more subscribers. Now we're in the 900s, you know, within a week or so. We're the 900s, so we're the top 900. So I think as I'm making this video, maybe 905, 907, somewhere around there. And I just want to say thank you guys for the continued support, man. Continue to tune in, you know, and look forward to some content, because we definitely got stuff coming on. Like I said, you know, this was a sponsored video, you know what I'm saying? And it's not my first one, it damn sure ain't gonna be the last one. So we got parts coming in, we got stuff coming in, man. Things about to go down, it's about to get warm. I'm so excited. And like I said, your boy graduates in May, so it's definitely going down in a major way. So, like I said before, if you ain't new to the channel, or if you are new to the channel, you've been watching, and you say, hey, I looked at a few of his videos, you know, he's dropped some stuff that I liked. Why don't you click that subscribe button? You know, if you are watching and you're subscribed, but you ain't getting my notifications, if you just so happen, and Terrence got a video. Wow, it's been a while. This ain't that guy in a few months, because you didn't click the bell. Why don't you click the bell? And if you're watching and you're just like me when I'm on YouTube, and you watch and you look at it and then you go about your business, don't be like me. Give it a thumbs up. Like the video. Share it with your friends. You got some friends and be like, hey man, you need some LED headlights in your car. Share this video with them. Let them go look at it. Let them check out the Amazon link. Get them a few. So with that, I am out. Most and foremost, if you don't do anything I just told you to do, it's still all good, man. Still come back and watch, man. Come have fun with your boy. Holla at you guys next time.